Welcome back. You're looking at Amazon Author Central, and this is where individuals that have published on Kindle and in some cases CreateSpace or Amazon's paperback book service hold their writer profiles. Now, content on this page can be promotional. In fact, you can have your blogs, events, photos, and videos on this page that, while talking about your written content, can also promote your existing business. Now, as was confirmed in an earlier video, you will not be able to link Prime Video Direct to your Author Central page. That means then that the only way for us to use this promotional tool is to have written content. And to do that, in the next couple of videos, we are going to talk about how you are going to repurpose your video content into text content so that you can use it promotionally on your author page and throughout the rest of Amazon. And we'll start the process by turning your video into text. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.